My name is Jason Cradit. I work for TRC as the Senior Director of Technology. I support the DevOps team mainly, so we have development staff that build our products and solutions and ops that will support it and deploy code and make sure everything's working for our customers. You know, it's interesting, as we moved from our traditional IT group and technology group into more of a DevOps culture in our organization, it had an immediate impact on the way we secured our assets. Because on our old or current assets, there was just a group, the security group, that was their job and that's what they did, and they would manage the security with that. Well, in our new culture, you know, it was not just DevOps, DevSecOps, right? They're responsible for it all. But it used to be that guy, or it used to be this team, and now it's not. For new applications, it is absolutely increased our velocity to releases. So now we can, you know, they all work together, right? Dev and Sec and Ops, they all work together to collaborate to define what happens, right? Everybody's empowered to talk and work together immediately, right? In containers and new microservices world, now everything is its own atomic unit. So now it can run and do everything it needs to do and then shut itself off and manage itself. I think moving to the cloud challenged us to think a little bit differently about how we might secure our applications and our users and our data. And moving to the cloud, we quickly learned that's just not how you architect things in the cloud anymore. You want to grow horizontally, not, you know, vertically. You know, it happens immediately as we build the app instead of trying to bolt it on later. Well, it's time to kind of break the mold you're used to. You want to move into understanding code, not just how networks and servers work, right? Worry about what's impactful to your business. It's an organizational change as much as it is a technology change. There's a maturity that needs to happen in your organization. You just have to embrace the change. So Trend's ability to not just kind of keep current, but define what is current is what's interesting to me. Really maturing in each stage of those, the life cycle of computing and into cloud and now into microservices. It's amazing to me that I would even ever think to look anywhere else for securing these things.